Hi, this is the TCL TAB 10 second generation and I'll show you how to install iPhone keyboard on this device. So first we should open the Play Store app and in the search bar we should enter the green Apple keyboard. And now we should get this application, so tap the install button and wait a couple of seconds. Then just tap to open the app and click to enable in settings. Now near green Apple keyboard, click on the switcher and tap to OK twice. Then just go back and click to switch input methods and switch your currently keyboard to the green Apple keyboard. So now the process is finished and let's check our new keyboard. Look where we could check it. So let's open the search. And we could see that this keyboard is so close to the iPhone 1 as all of the emojis. So that's it. Thank you for watching, and if you like this video, leave thumbs up and subscribe our channel.